Hi everyone, this is Miha from Miha Hope Wellness Institute. This morning we're gonna make a simple, delicious, nutritious recipe, okay? So what I did here is half a cup of oatmeal, gluten-free from Trader Joe. I boiled it, and when it was about ready, I added 1 cup of mixed berry. These are frozen, but you can also put fresh, okay? So these are boiled, they're ready to go. Now, depends on your level of activity or you watching your calories. I'm having a good breakfast because I need to go take a 1-hour spinning class after this. So I am watching my calories in general, but like I give my body what I need. So what else did I do here? I mashed a banana, a ripe banana, because I don't like to use honey or maple syrup. So in this one, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, so some healthy fats, okay? So here is the 1 tablespoon, okay? We're gonna mix it with the banana. And now I also gonna add here 1 tablespoon of collagen. This is chocolate collagen, okay? So if you are vegan, fully plant-based, this one has bovine collagen, so you can replace this with some cocoa powder instead. So I'm 80% plant-based, but when I need meat or I do this for collagen because it's good for my hair, for my joints, for my gut health, I add what I need to my body, okay? So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna mash this quickly, just mix it a little bit, and then you're gonna drop it in this bowl, okay? And mix everything together. I just want to tell you that this is not just a great breakfast, but you can eat this in the day if you feel like you want a treat, but you don't want to eat like sugar or unhealthy stuff. This is very consistent, it's delicious. It has a chocolatey flavor, it has the berries, peanut butter, the sweetness from banana. It's amazing, okay? So this is a very, very good meal for you to have. Here you go, okay? Well, I hope this helps you in your wellness journey, and I hope you make healthy choices. Bye. Have a great Tuesday. Take care. Bye-bye.